Did you know that no two cups of coffee at Philz are ever exactly the same? Unlike chains where you modify a standard recipe, here, customization is the entire menu. Let's explore how they brew perfection for every customer. Philz Coffee operates on a philosophy that treats coffee as an art form rather than a commodity. Every morning, their Oakland facility roasts sustainably. Sourced green beans from around the world, ensuring a fresh foundation for every unique blend. When you walk in, you aren't choosing a size or roast, you're selecting one of their signature custom blends. From the classic mint mojito to seasonal roasts, each flavor profile is distinct, designed to offer a specific taste experience that cannot be replicated elsewhere. The real magic happens with the milk and sugar customization. Baristas don't just pour coffee. They ask about your specific preferences regarding cream levels and sweetness, adjusting every cup to fit your exact palate before it even leaves the brewer. Expertly trained baristas act as guides throughout this process. They understand the nuances of each bean and brewing method, offering professional advice to help you create your perfect cup rather than just serving a predetermined product on a crowded street corner. This dedication results in a premium experience that distinguishes Philz from competitors, often costing around $5. You are paying not just for caffeine, but for a personalized journey through flavor profiles and the expertise of their dedicated staff. Ultimately, Philz proves that coffee can be a deeply personal ritual. By combining global sourcing with local roasting and total customization, they ensure that every sip is a discovery of your own unique taste preferences. So there you have it. The secret to Philz isn't just the beans, but the freedom to craft your perfect cup. Have you ever experienced the coffee that felt truly customized for you? Share your favorite blend in the comments below.